Danny, the bacon.
So we have a lot of stuff going on at CNC this week and this month. The first one being Christmas bell ringing at Walmart. So sign up for that in the foyer right outside.
I have some unfortunate greasy news for you boys and girls. Wednesday night service is going to be canceled next week, the Wednesday before Thanksgiving. And there's also going to be no small groups on Sunday night after Thanksgiving.
So I'm very excited to tell you guys about the Christmas banquet we are having on December 6th at 6:30 here at church. More information about that to come.
Hey church, and now here's a mandatory 15 seconds to take a look at your bulletin. Make sure to give us a like and follow on Facebook and Instagram. Enjoy the service.